On the back side of the phone, push the cover. Be careful, do not insert AAA batteries in it. AAA batteries are 1.5 volt, and here we need special Panasonic 1.2 volt batteries. See the link in the description to order brand new batteries. Inserting not rechargeable batteries may cause an explosion if you set it on the charging base. If the cover doesn't fit well, push the batteries a bit stronger. You should then be able to close the cap again. And we are done.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!